controversy over Rajya Sabha nominations in Karnataka has intensified. The Congress has strongly criticized the Bharatiya Janata Party, alleging that by denying nomination to former Chief Minister and JDS Chief HD Deve Gowda, the BJP has insulted not only the JDS but also the people of Karnataka. The issue arose after BJP on Sunday announced Professor Nagaraja as its candidate for the Rajya Sabha elections from Karnataka. Following this, senior Congress leader and Karnataka in charge Randeep Singh Surjewala reacted on social media platform X, stating that the BJP had preferred its state vice president and district building construction in charge Nagaraja over the former Prime Minister, calling it a major insult. Surjewala also accused JDS leader and former Chief Minister HD Kumaraswamy of repeatedly accepting such insults only to retain his ministerial position. Karnataka Congress President BK Hariprasad also termed the decision an insult to the people and said that the BJP and NDA had betrayed JDS and Deve Gowda and that the people would give them a reply in the coming days. It is important to note that in Karnataka, 4 Rajya Sabha seats are falling vacant on June 25th as their terms are ending. The members whose terms are ending including BJP's Iranna Kadadi and Narayana Koragappa, Congress leader Mallikarjun Kharge and HD Deve Gowda. As per the current strength of the assembly, Congress is likely to win 3 seats as it has 135 members in the 224-member house, while the BJP has 62 members and JDS has 18 members. The Congress has renominated Mallikarjun Kharge for the Rajya Sabha election. The party has also nominated AICC Secretary Mansoor Ali Khan and Media and Publicity Department Chairman Pawan Kera as candidates. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.